Imagine solving in seconds what would take today's most powerful supercomputers thousands of years. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality that quantum computers promise. These revolutionary machines are not just upgrades to classical computers. They are a complete reimagining of how we process information. At the heart of quantum computing is quantum mechanics, the science of the incredibly small. Unlike traditional computers that use bits as the smallest unit of data, which can be either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. A qubit can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to a quantum phenomenon called superposition. This allows quantum computers to explore multiple solutions simultaneously, giving them an exponential speed advantage in specific types of problems. But that's not the only trick up a qubit's sleeve. Another principle, entanglement, lets qubits be connected in such a way that the state of one can instantly influence the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This interconnectedness boosts processing power and enables new algorithms that could transform industries. So, what does this mean for the real world? Quantum computers hold the potential to revolutionize cryptography, making current encryption methods obsolete and creating unbreakable new ones. In pharmaceuticals, they could model complex molecules to accelerate drug discovery. In logistics, they might solve optimization problems that currently limit efficiency in global supply chains. Even climate modeling and artificial intelligence could reach new heights with quantum acceleration. However, we're not quite there yet. Quantum computing is still in its infancy. Building stable qubits that can maintain coherence long enough to perform meaningful calculations remains a massive engineering challenge. Errors from environmental noise, temperature fluctuations, and hardware instability plague current systems. Researchers are racing to develop error-correcting codes and more robust quantum architectures to scale up the technology. For tech enthusiasts, now is the perfect time to learn about quantum computing. Staying ahead of the curve means preparing for a future where these machines reshape the digital landscape. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or curious learner, exploring the principles of quantum mechanics and the programming languages used, like Qiskit and Cirq, is a smart investment in your future. Are you ready to embrace the quantum era, or do you think we still have a long way to go? Share your thoughts in the comments below.